Dark home design is more than a trend, it's a statement of sophistication, depth, and timeless beauty. In a world where light and neutral palettes dominate, embracing rich, deep hues creates an atmosphere of mystery, luxury, and serenity. Today, we explore how dark colors, textures, and materials can transform modern homes into bold yet inviting sanctuaries, where elegance meets the essence of nature. Color has a profound impact on the way we experience space. Deep charcoals, matte blacks, and earthy browns can create a grounding effect, giving a home an intimate yet spacious feel. When combined with strategic lighting, dark interiors don't feel closed off, they feel dramatic and immersive. Whether it's a moody living room, a bold kitchen, or a sleek bedroom, a dark color palette enhances both contrast and depth, making every architectural element stand out beautifully. A dark home isn't just about color, it's about texture. Matte black walls paired with velvety furnishings, rough concrete surfaces contrasting with smooth stone, and rich wooden accents breathing warmth into a space. All these elements create a tactile experience. By layering different textures, dark interiors become dynamic and visually intriguing. The secret is balance. Too much of one material can feel overwhelming, while the right mix creates a luxurious, grounded aesthetic. Contrary to common belief, dark homes don't have to feel dim or confined. When designed thoughtfully, dark interiors harness natural light to create mesmerizing contrasts. Large windows, skylights, and glass walls allow daylight to flow in, accentuating the richness of deep hues. The interplay of light and shadow enhances the home's architecture, casting ever-changing patterns that bring movement and energy to a seemingly still space. Furniture plays a crucial role in defining a dark home's character. Sleek, sculptural pieces and deep colors elevate the sophistication, while warm-toned wood and metallic accents introduce an element of refinement. A deep navy velvet sofa against an obsidian wall, a dark marble dining table paired with brass fixtures, or a minimalist black coffee table grounded on a plush, textured rug. These thoughtful choices create a home that feels curated, luxurious, and effortlessly stylish. Dark homes don't have to feel stark or overly industrial. The presence of greenery and natural elements softens the boldness of deep tones. Lush indoor plants, wooden fixtures, and stone textures add organic warmth, making the home feel alive and connected to nature. Climbing vines against a charcoal wall, an indoor tree in a spacious foyer, or potted greenery on dark shelving introduce a refreshing contrast, reinforcing the concept of Earthborn Majesty, where the natural and the architectural merge harmoniously. Decorative elements can elevate a dark home's sophistication. Art pieces in metallic frames, bold abstract paintings, and sculptural decor become striking focal points against dark backdrops. Mirrors framed in antique brass or sleek black enhance the perception of space, reflecting light while amplifying the room's elegance. Each accessory should feel intentional, curated to add personality and style without clutter. This balance between minimalism and boldness defines the essence of dark home design. Dark spaces often evoke a sense of intimacy, a retreat from the chaos of the outside world. Bedrooms designed with rich, deep tones feel like restful sanctuaries, while cozy reading nooks with moody colors invite quiet reflection. Plush textiles like wool, velvet, and cashmere in dark shades add comfort, making these spaces feel enveloping and warm. With the right balance, dark design creates an environment that is not only visually stunning but also emotionally soothing. Dark home design often harmonizes with minimalist principles, clean lines, open spaces, and deliberate choices. The power of restraint allows each element to make a stronger impact. Minimalist furniture in dark tones, paired with subtle, natural accents, avoids overwhelming the senses. The result is a serene, contemplative space that balances simplicity and sophistication, allowing the beauty of each design choice to shine. Achieving balance is key to a successful dark home design. Contrast is used strategically to prevent monotony, pale stone countertops in dark kitchens, crisp white linens in moody bedrooms, or light oak floors anchoring obsidian walls. The play of contrast enhances depth, ensuring the space remains vibrant yet grounded. When boldness meets balance, dark interiors transform into spaces of undeniable allure. Dark home design can extend beyond interiors, blending with exterior elements to create a cohesive look. Matte black facades combined with natural stone or dark stain would blend into lush, green landscapes, creating a seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors. Incorporating dark tones into outdoor furniture, lighting, and landscaping continues the theme, crafting a home that is as striking on the outside as it is within. Dark interiors carry a timeless appeal, bold yet enduring, elegant yet versatile. Unlike fleeting trends, they possess a sense of permanence, evoking a refined aesthetic that transcends time. By embracing dark hues thoughtfully, homeowners can create spaces that reflect personal style while maintaining a sophisticated edge. Dark design is a choice of confidence, a testament to those who appreciate the depth of subtlety and the strength of simplicity. Designing a dark home is an invitation to explore a bold, elegant approach to modern living. It's about finding balance between intensity and serenity, sophistication and warmth. When done thoughtfully, dark home design embodies the essence of Earthborn Majesty, where the richness of nature meets contemporary elegance. Whether you embrace a fully dark palette or incorporate subtle elements, the power of darkness can transform your home into a timeless sanctuary.